going to take you on a brief tour of my COVID-19 tracking site. Starting with the landing page here, when you land on the website, you'll be greeted by this information. This includes real-time updated data for the United States, including the total number of cases and deaths from COVID-19 that we've seen. This is actually pulled from the New York Times. There is also a call to action here that will hopefully inspire people to want to register for the site to help us more closely monitor this epidemic. Off to the side here, you'll see a carousel with various photos, images, as well as captions. Let's go ahead and log into the site. The site changes somewhat when you are logged in. I'll demonstrate here how it is mobile responsive as well too. Okay. And so let's go ahead and first check out state data. So this particular user is registered in Denver, Colorado. So the default is to show data from that state. This again is pulled from the New York Times. On the back end, I use pandas to pull the data and to manipulate it. And then for the graphical images, I use the Python library Plotly, which provides an excellent way to display data. We see here new daily cases of COVID in Colorado, as well as deaths. Additionally, any other state in the union can be chosen, including the District of Columbia. This is really the heart of the site in that it allows users to record symptoms. As of October 18th, the current criteria we're using for diagnosing or considering COVID testing are any one of these top 4 symptoms or 2 or more of these other symptoms. So for example, if I meet COVID testing criteria, you'll notice that this message popped up and I'm told where I can seek COVID testing near me. Let's go ahead and enter that and see what happens. I'm now navigated to a page that tells me what I should do. It does say that I may have COVID based on my symptoms. What should I do next? I should isolate, consider getting tested. What should I do if I test positive? This gives the current criteria we're using for clinical clearance of people who have confirmed COVID. What to do if I test negative? And when to seek medical care. Likewise, I can hide these answers. Had I not met COVID criteria and just had one of these minor symptoms, then I would have been navigated to a different page that says that your symptoms do not suggest COVID is likely at this time, and similarly, questions are answered. Let's navigate to the map that actually captures this data. Let me show you the profile first. So this is the address that I used, actually the address of my childhood home here in Denver, Colorado. And now I am one of the 2 users who is reporting symptoms that are suggestive or potentially suggestive of COVID. This page also allows you to look at any other date. So I had earlier entered several users having active symptoms as of the 7th of September. And you'll note here in different locations the presence of different users reporting symptoms. That is my COVID-19 site. I would like to express my appreciation for this course, which is one of the best courses I've taken. Thank you very much.